One-of-a-kind luxury living in Lake Oswego's coveted Forest Highlands neighborhood. This Renaissance-built home is close to Lake Oswego High School, Tryon Creek Park, New Seasons, and downtown Lake Oswego. Situated on nearly 1.5 acres, it offers tranquil wetland views and gorgeous outdoor living spaces. Discover high-end custom upgrades throughout, walls of windows, and a contemporary fireplace with built-ins. The gourmet kitchen is designed for the chef with beautiful counters, custom lighting, a 48-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator, butler's pantry with a wine fridge, and a Wolf gas range with a pot filler. The mudroom is well appointed with a convenient workspace. The flowing design offers multiple options for entertaining, including a built-in barbecue, gas fireplace, and plenty of room to lounge on the covered deck. Or gather in the cozy dining room framed with gorgeous ceilings and modern fixtures. Enjoy your expansive home office with built-ins. Upstairs, you can escape to your own private sanctuary in the primary suite, where you can wake up to peaceful views. Heated tile floors invite you to relax in the perfectly designed bath, where it's easy to forget the stress of the day. And you'll appreciate the huge walk-in closet. This home of more than 5,400 square feet has 3 additional generous bedrooms on this upper level, 3 baths, and a dedicated home gym space. The party room is ready for hosting movie nights with a built-in surround theater system and a custom bar. The lower level is also well equipped with another bedroom and a full bath, plus a covered outdoor dining space for easy entertaining. The beautifully designed fire pit creates a peaceful backdrop for memorable gatherings under the stars. Luxury living at its finest, built by award-winning Renaissance homes. It's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.